3.
Hey everyone, welcome to DIY Everything. Today we're going to be unboxing the Instax Mini 11. I'm super excited. And so the color of this camera is the blush pink. I'm super excited because this color is really cute. And so let's unbox. But by the way guys, this camera will require film because it's an instant camera and I don't think it comes with a starter film, so it requires film. So let's unbox. Ooh. Ooh. This is kind of tricky. Ooh, okay. Okay, I think I got that open. Nope, never mind. Not coming open. There we go, never mind, got it open, guys. Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited. What does it look like? Okay, is this an instruction manual? I think so. Is it in English? No, I don't think so. No, wait, is it in English? It's probably in English somewhere. Oh my gosh, guys! Okay, look, so this is this little, like, string thing. And, okay, let's take out the camera. Wow, it is so beautiful! I love it. So amazing. Uh-oh. Okay, these are some batteries. And ooh, the customizable shutter buttons. Is there anything else? Yep, instruction manual. Okay. Nothing else. Okay guys, so let's take this Instax out of the bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, what? Wow. That is beautiful, guys. Look at it. So pretty. Can you see through this hole? Oh my gosh, you can. There's like a little, what's it called? I don't know, but whatever it is, it's cute. Oh, wow. Okay, I can see. Wow, this is actually really cool, this little hole thing. Anyways, guys. Oh my gosh. Don't be clumsy. Okay, anyways, guys, so I'm gonna need to like assemble this, read the instructions. So I'm gonna be showing you guys that in part 2. This was just the opening. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in part 2. Anyways, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye! See you in part 2.